Today's lesson in math is lesson 4. The goal of the lesson is to use tape diagrams to model fractions as division. I'm going to do problem 3 from their homework. They're going to use tape diagrams like this on all the other problems from their homework. Number 3 says that Jackie cut a 2-yard spool into 5 equal lengths of ribbon. What is the length of each ribbon in yards? Well, if she has a 2-yard spool and she's dividing it into 5 equal lengths, that sounds like 2 divided by 5. Okay? Now, we have learned that if you're doing this as a division problem, 5 does not go into 2, and you have 2 left over, so that's 0 and 2/5. Or we could just write our answer as 2/5. If you're drawing a tape diagram, the whole is that 2 yards. That's the whole piece of tape. You're dividing by 5, so you're going to take those 2 holes and you're going to divide it into fifths. And the kids must illustrate that one of these is equal to 2/5. So that's how you would do 3A. And that's how you do a tape diagram for it. And then if you're looking at 3B, there are 3 feet in 1 yard. Therefore, if they want you to do this problem, but not in yards, but in feet, you're going to take your 2 yards and multiply it times 3. And 2 yards is equal to 6 feet. So instead of doing 2 divided by 5, you're going to do 6 divided by 5, which we know is equal to 6/5, because if we did the standard algorithm, 5 goes into 6 once, with 1 left over, and that's how you get your 1 1/5. If you were doing a tape diagram for that, the whole is 6 feet, and you'd still divide it into fifths. But one of these right here is equal to 1 1/5. And that's how you do those 2 problems, and that's how you do tape diagrams to go along with them.